and rock the masses. From Madrid to Calabasas, Tijuana, Mexico, through the devils in Tokyo. Say they know me though, cause I'll be putting in work. Commit my life to rebirth. Well respected, cause that's my word. And I'm sure you heard about a new sound gone round. She might have left my hood, but she was born in my town. You didn't know how we was new on the scene. It's alright, it's alright. I know you know, I see you smiling at me. It's alright, it's alright.
Hi, this is what you're looking at with Generation Airsoft Group. I have another video for you today. It was raining a lot outside, so I couldn't go outside and do the planned shooting test on either this gun that I'm doing the shooting test on today or the L96. So I'm just gonna do the shooting test, not accuracy, but shooting test on the mk23 socom no blowback pistol. Okay, first off, it runs on green gas. All of the outside of the gun is ABS plastic except the trigger, your safety switch, these unfunctional switches on the side, which would usually be your safety to semi-automatic, your hammer, of course, right there, and of course the inner barrel and outer barrel, like you see from there. Okay, magazine is all metal, pretty much weighs the same much as the gun, holds 28 BBs. Since it's a shooting test, I'll be using .20 gram BBs, and in the accuracy test, I'll use .25s. I'll try to get to this and the L96 accuracy test within the next few days. Okay, first off, we're gonna shoot the gun close up to the camera, shooting at the target with the silencer, and then without a silencer, and then with a silencer. Okay, we'll go ahead and put our gas into our magazine right here, 28 rounds. Okay, that's it. That's all the gas we need. Since this is a no blowback, it conserves more gas. It's not a gas hog by any means at all. Okay, magazine is in. Chambered around. You don't have to do that, but I like to. Okay, here we go. We'll do 5 rounds, and then we'll do 5 rounds without it. With silencer. Okay, now from a distance without a silencer, 5 rounds. With silencer.
Watch me set it off. It's been a while, but we back so you can count it lost. We lie in wait, don't hesitate. When opportunity knocks, break the lock and rush the gates. Seize the day, we got moves to make. It's gotta be now, cause we a half past late. Say what you say, but you ain't show me nothing.